In today's show, Bitcoin price still on track to $100,000 despite this recent bloodbath, according to crypto analyst PlanB of the stock to flow model, who just shared stock to flow chart adjusted for today's crash. Nothing really happened. Bitcoin still spot on. Stock to flow track. We'll be breaking this down in today's show. Also, in today's episode, Bitcoin's drop is due to 13,000 Bitcoin plus token scam, not the coronavirus, according to analysts. We'll be breaking down this data in today's show. Also, in today's episode, Bitcoin just broke 8,000. Here are the important supports traders much watch for, which we'll be covering in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As you can see, it's a complete bloodbath. Markets are tanking. Where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news as soon as it's released and uploaded right here on my channel. And before we kick off today's show, 5 coins to 5 million, the final 5 live cryptocurrency event with none other than Tika Tawari. 5 tiny cryptocurrencies that can turn $500 into 5 million thanks to a crypto market phenomenon guaranteed to hit in roughly 50 days. And FYI, it's not the Bitcoin halving. To register for this live event and RSVP your free seat, click the link right below the video in the description, and I look forward to seeing you there. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into today's top story. I gotta deliver some hopium because there is a bloodbath out there in the market. Bitcoin still on track to 100,000 despite recent drop. PlanB explains why. Let's go. While a lot of crypto investors are in a state of despondency, this certainly doesn't pertain to reputed crypto analyst PlanB. He states Bitcoin is still following his stock to flow model, which predicts that the top crypto by market cap is set to hit $100,000 before December of 2021. Taking a look at his tweet on crypto Twitter, Bitcoin stock to flow chart adjusted for today's crash. Nothing really happened. Bitcoin still spot on stock to flow track, as we can see right here in this graph. And taking a look at some of the replies, Riggs responded, giant bull flag. People are not ready for this mania. Time to shock the world. PlanB's model attempts to forecast future price moves of Bitcoin based on the correlation between the stock, which is the total available supply of the crypto, and its flow, which is the amount of newly minted coin. So far, every reward halving has been game-changing for the crypto king entitled Bitcoin, and the Dutch pundit doesn't expect the forthcoming supply cut to be any different whatsoever. In May, miners will start earning only 6.25 Bitcoin per block. PlanB forecasted that Bitcoin would trade above 10,000 after this halving, while gradually moving to the aforementioned $100,000 price target. So what are your thoughts? Do you agree with PlanB and the stock to flow model that the Bitcoin price is still on track to $100,000 by the end of 2021? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And now for our next story of the day. This massive Bitcoin drop is due to 13,000 Bitcoin plus token scam, not the coronavirus, according to these analysts. Let's go. Bitcoin began its sudden crash due to another giant sell-off from the plus token pyramid scheme. Analysts are suggesting as Bitcoin lost the $8,000 support. According to various online commentators citing blockchain data, participants in the $2.9 billion scheme are again attempting to rid themselves of their Bitcoin. Ergo, the Twitter account that closely tracks plus tokens activities, put the total funds involved at around 13,000 Bitcoin, roughly valued at $210 million at today's current market price. This time, Ergo said that the coins were going to mixing services to hide their traceability. 2 feeder addresses have been identified, shedding their balance on March 5th. Taking a look at these tweets on crypto Twitter, Ergo wrote 13,000 in new plus token mixer deposits in the last 24 hours. Almost all previous mixer deposit change has entered mixing, confirming my theory. Distribution still on and off, much slower than September and November. New report and full sit rep imminent. He said, been looking and theorizing about this for months, and I can't see a scenario where the coins aren't being sold, at least to some degree. The account summarized, this was likely obvious to the exchange starting in September. The accounts would have been frozen then. The account added, however, that sell-offs now are occurring at a much slower rate compared to a more intense period of activity in August of last year. And you can actually see in the graph right here, on-chain volume from Plus token versus Bitcoin price listed on exchange Huobi, and slamming the market with sell orders. Nonetheless, Bitcoin price volatility appears to influence Plus token's activities. During the last mass fund movement several weeks ago, Bitcoin was similarly experiencing turbulence at around the $10,000 mark. They are slamming the market with sell orders. Essentially, we have a giant whale unloading every move up. Fellow Twitter analyst Kevin Svensson added in comments on his own on Sunday, and taking a look at his tweet on crypto Twitter, he wrote, Plus token scam moved another 13,000 Bitcoins yesterday, worth $118 million. They also did something similar after Bitcoin crossed above 10,000 this year. They are slamming the market with sell orders. Essentially, we have a giant whale unloading after every move up. Then he went on to add this, Bitcoin, this is not your average sell-off. Clearly, a whale is unloading. And before we get to our last story of the day, Bitcoin breaking 8,000 and sharing these important supports traders must watch out for. Let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As you can see, it's a bloodbath. Every single major crypto is bleeding in the red, with Bitcoin down a whopping 10%, trading just above the $7,800 support. It's going to be interesting to see what happens from here. Ether down 10% as well, trading at only $202. XRP down almost 9%, trading at 20 cents. Miss Litecoin down a whopping 14%, trading below $50. BNB coin down 11%, trading at $16. EOS down 11%, trading at $3.10. Even Link, which has been so bullish as of lately, down 1.8%, trading at $4.12. BSV down 12%, BCH down 13%. So it's going to be interesting to see how this all plays out. Now let's cover our last story of the day. Bitcoin down close to 10%. Well, now above 10%. It broke its key $8,000 support against the US dollar. Bitcoin price is now vulnerable, but the $7,500 support area could spark a decent recovery in the near term. And we're only $300 away from that, right? In yesterday's weekly forecast, we discussed the breakdown pattern in Bitcoin and the chances of it hitting 8,400 level. Actually, I covered this yesterday on the show, and I said Bitcoin is likely to hit 8,200, but little did I know we would break below 8,000. Bitcoin price not only tested the $8,400 level, but it dived sharply below the 8,200 support. The daily chart suggests that the price broken many important supports, starting with 9,000 and 8,800. The first major support was near 8,750 level and a major bullish trend line, as you can see right here on your screen. The next key support was near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the main upward move from 6,442 low to the $10,500 high. More importantly, Bitcoin traded below the $8,200 support area. The price is now trading well below the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level of the main upward move from the $6,400 low to the $10,500 high. These are strong bearish signs suggesting chances of more losses below the $7,800 level. An immediate support is near the $7,500 level, where the bulls are likely to take a stand. If they fail to defend 7,500 and 7,400, the next stop could be 6,500 in the coming days. Now let's discuss what's the likelihood and chances of a recovery. The current price action suggests Bitcoin's under a lot of selling pressure below 8,200 and 8,000. However, the $7,500 support area could be a savior. Hallelujah. If the price finds a strong buying interest near the $7,500 area, it could start a recent recovery on the upside. An initial resistance is near the 8,280 level, the main resistance area near 8,400, and the 100-day SMA above, which the bulls are likely to aim a test of the $9,000 level. So technical indicators, we got the daily MACD. The MACD is showing a few contra-bullish signs. We have the daily RSI, the relative strength index. The RSI for Bitcoin is now well above the 40 level. Major support levels are 7,500, followed by 7,400, and major resistance levels are 8,200, 8,400, and $8,500. And taking a look at the overall crypto market cap, it's sitting at $225 billion with $180 billion in volume in the last 24 hours, and the current BTC dominance is 63.5%. And taking a look at the top gainers within the top 100 cryptos, we have Unised up 2%. So the top gainer is only up 2%. That's not a good sign. Trading just below $1. We got multi-collateral DAI, which is another stable coin, up 0.46%, trading just below $1. Binance USD, another stable coin. So only the stable coins are up, believe it or not, which is very bearish sign for the crypto market. And taking a look at the biggest losers, Nexo down a whopping 21%, trading at 14 cents. Sia Coin down 18%. See you later. Trading at 0.001. Matic Network down 17%, trading at 2 cents. Monacoin down 17%, trading at $1.36. Wakey Chain down 16%, trading at 20 cents. And Ion down 16%, trading at 11 cents. And checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bears are dominating right now, leading with almost 600 million in superiority, with shorts leading 55% versus 44% longs. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. Now let's check out one of my favorite indicators. It's the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Right now, we're rated in extreme fear with a 17. Yesterday was a 33 in fear, and last week a 38 in fear, and last month we were a 52, which is neutral. Now keep in mind, right now we're in extreme fear. What does this mean? Well, let's check it out. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity. Wink, wink. Right now may be a great time to get some positions in Bitcoin and crypto. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And now checking out the Bitcoin block reward halving countdown. We have 62 days, 21 hours, 59 minutes, and 44 seconds left until the block reward halving set to take place May 11th. Only 62 days out. I'm pretty excited for this event. I know it's a bullish event. There's scarcity built into the DNA of the Bitcoin blockchain thanks to Satoshi Nakamoto. And if history rhymes, we can expect a very bullish market this year, leading Bitcoin to a new all-time high. My prediction is BTC crosses $35,000 per coin. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. And I do believe in 2021, we will peak and reach a 6-digit Bitcoin, just as the stock to flow model predicts. But those are just my thoughts. Let me know what you think in the comments right down below. And I want to encourage you to check out the description right below this video by clicking show more below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the market. This goes for all of my videos right here on the channel. I also include some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including the blog to my podcast, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. This is updated every single day, in which you can download the latest episode of the show. Also, subscribe on YouTube if you haven't yet already done so. We also are on all the major podcasting platforms, including Apple's iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, Stitcher Radio, TuneIn. So whichever podcasting platform you're active on, please help support the show. It's greatly appreciated. Of course, you can follow us on Twitter for daily crypto news alerts. And I also have a private crypto Facebook group, which could be found here. To become a part of that, all you need to do is click this link, request to join, and I'll be sure to plug you in. And I also have a private crypto Telegram chat. To become a part of that, click this link from a mobile device. I'll plug you in, and looking forward to connecting with you on the inside. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto revolution. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And real quick before I go, Tika Twari's 5 coins to 5 million, the final 5, going down March 18th at 8 p.m. Eastern. To register and RSVP your seat during this live cryptocurrency event, click the link right below the video in the description and enter your favorite email address, and then click the button that says sign me up. It's then going to redirect you here for a quick video from Fernando preparing you for this live event taking place in a $45 million Gulfstream, which Tika Tiwari is chartering to take you to a discreet, secret location to share some information with you that's going to knock your socks off, to get on the VIP text message list, and to receive all the bonuses Tika Tiwari is offering, including a $5,000 cryptocurrency education. All you need to do is enter your mobile phone and click the button that says receive bonus. You'll then be redirected here, and video 1 is going to be released on March 13th. Video 2, called Inside the Phenomenon, is going to be released March 15th. Video 3, the 1,000,000% trade, is going to be released March 17th, followed by the next day, March 18th, leading to the main event. I look forward to seeing you there. I know Tika Tiwari has called the #1 best performing crypto assets 4 years in a row. That's correct. In 2019, during his live event, he shared that Chainlink was his #1 pick. And what happened? In 2019, Chainlink was the best performing crypto asset of the year. In 2018, he suggested to his readers BNB coin. When there was a crypto winter, every coin got destroyed, minus the best performing crypto asset of the year, which was BNB coin. Back in 2017, he recommended a little cryptocurrency called Ripple/XRP, which was the best performing crypto asset of 2017, going from pennies literally as high to $3.70. And then back in 2016, he wrote a paper on Ethereum to his subscribers and readers. Back when Ethereum was trading at just a few dollars, Ethereum soared as high as about the $1,500 mark before crashing and correcting to where it's currently at. But my point is, Tika has a fantastic track record at picking winners, and I just want to pay this forward. So I look forward to seeing you at this live event. I'll catch you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.